1700 degrees Celsius 3 zones vacuum atmosphere tube furnace with each zone can be controlled separately. It equips high-purity alumina tube for 1600 C working and furnace tube 2 ends with 304 stainless steel extrusion sealing structure flange for easier installation and loading and unloading samples. With molecular pump unit can reach vacuum degree level 6.67 × 10 3 par. High-precision PID temperature control instrument can set program temperature curve easily. Also, it can introduce kinds of protective gases such as nitrogen, argon, hydrogen, etc. to meet the needs of new metal materials, scenario materials, nanomaterials, carbon materials, etc. Material heat treatment process requirements.